Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to set all your referred affiliate sales to pending approval for your Wix store using OSI affiliate software. From your admin account, please click Referral Programs. Click the blue pencil icon to modify the referral programs. Show Advanced Settings. All sales from this referral program must be approved before being added. Please make sure that this is checked, and then click Continue. To make sure that all sales for this referral program is being activated, please go to Dashboard. Click Rewards. Now, if you see, there is an Approve Now section. So once you approve the sales, that sales will be added to the affiliate invoices. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.